Hi everyone, it's Kat and I have a fun haul for y'all. So I have been in need for a lot more neutrals in my wardrobe. I've mentioned that in the past. And this is a neutral loungewear haul. And you can still look cute in sweats. You can still have a vibe going on. And these are some items that I found. These are all from Dillard's. So the first item that I got is this fleece, really light oatmeal colored shacket with these dark buttons. This is a great layering piece. You can do so much with it. You can wear black or other neutrals, white, even colors, but with jeans, like this is a great way to just be running around doing errands but still looking cute and put together. Next, I have this really cute sweatshirt, and it is a bit of a like shorter length. It's not super cropped, but it has this zip in the front and then this pocket, and then you can also cinch it at the waist with these ties down at the bottom. And then it has these matching sweatpants, and these ones are cuffed at the bottom, so as you can see there. And I love this light brown color. It's very flattering, and this is great if you're running to the airport but you still want to look put together. So this is a really nice fleece set. Next, I have this stone washed set. This is just a simple sweatshirt with cuffs, and then it has a raw hem. And this one is also somewhat cropped, but not really. And then it has the matching sweatpants, and this is in a really pretty stone color. And what I like about this one is it has it's like a straight leg sweatpant, which I feel like is a bit more flattering than the cuffed one. But yes, this one is very nice. And yeah, this color is also super flattering, very good neutral. And what you could do with this is just wear a trench coat on top. And again, it would look really cool and put together. Just throw on some sneakers and you're good to go. And then the last set that I have is this really beautiful one that is partially a sweatshirt and then has this beautiful knit on the back and the sleeve. So this is the back, and then on the front you have the hood, and it's in this really pretty light mottled gray. And then you have these big hoodie strings, which is a nice detail. And then even the sweatpants have the knit detailing on the waist. And then these are also kind of a raw hem, but it's rolled up and sewed that way, and it's really nice. And again, super soft. So this one is really great as well. And then the last item I have is this adorable sweater, and again, a neutral. This is Ralph Lauren, and it has these two terriers on it in white and black, and I just thought this sweater was so sweet. It's very, very prep school, but I think that is a fun vibe to do. So again, great for winter and just a fun little casual sweater. This isn't really loungewear, but I wanted to include it since it matches the color palette. All right, that is everything for this haul. And I just want to kind of do this to show you that loungewear can be more chic. It doesn't have to be just, you know, your old sweatpants or old sweatshirt. You can really find some great pieces that go together, and wearing a matching set makes you feel so put together and confident. So I definitely recommend doing a matching set if you are looking for some loungewear pieces. Hi everyone, it's Kat again, and today, different outfit, different makeup, but I wanted to include this in this video and talk about some really good Amazon finds that are kind of random, but I wanted to share them with you. So one of the first things is actually behind me is I got this sunset lamp, and I love this. It is such an easy way to decorate your space, whether it's in your apartment, your bedroom, or dorm room, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. I personally have spent way too much money on home decor for, you know, college dorms and stuff like that, and then end up not liking that stuff after a year and donating it and losing money. So getting cool lighting like a sunset lamp is a really easy way and a cool way to add some more depth to your space, because lighting can really kind of add dimension to your room without really having to do a lot. Which goes into the other light I have, which is this moon lamp. It changes color, and hold on, I don't think you can see it. Okay, so it changes color There we go. And what is so fun about this lamp in particular is you can sync it to an app and it will change lighting based on the music. And then you can make it brighter or darker. And this is just such a nice thing to have in your space because it adds color. So yes, this is a super easy lamp to use and add to your space, especially on your desk. It does have a just plain white light, so if you need some light for your desk, this is a great way to do that. And it adds a lot of ambiance to your space without having to spend a lot of money. And like I said, don't waste money on home decor stuff that you're gonna get rid of within a year because, you know, you're throwing your money away and we need to keep our coins. So this is a great way to keep your money but still have, you know, some fun elements to your space. Okay, so next is sunglasses. And I love designer sunglasses. I have a video showing my designer sunglasses collection, but honestly, you really don't need designer sunglasses because at the end of the day, it is just plastic, and a lot of the designer sunglasses are made in the same kind of facilities that make, you know, regular price sunglasses. So there's not really like a big difference in between in terms of quality. So I wanted some fun sunglasses that were very 90s era, and Amazon has so many good sunglasses, and I picked out this set. So it comes with two and each one has a case. And I first got this black pair, which is just simple, like I said, very 90s. And then it comes with a tortoiseshell pair, and tortoiseshell I love. So I will try these on for you so you can see. But like, just super low key. They're really high quality plastic, like they have weight to them. And these are just gonna look so cute with different outfits. So, you know, just that. These aren't polarized or anything, but yeah, just super simple, very 90s. And if you have a neutral outfit, like this is a great way to do it. And then even just, like, is that not such a vibe? I love that. So even like, not even to like use as sunglasses, but just to have like this, it is so 90s, supermodel off duty, which is, I really love that style, and that's kind of more what I'm going towards. Then this is the other pair I got. These ones are polarized, and oops. These are they look so expensive. Like, oh my gosh. And they're so simple and polarized, which is really good for driving and stuff like that, because then your depth of field and stuff is much better. And they're just super simple. They have these gold pieces on the sides, and yeah, I just love them. They're really just no nonsense, I'm here to do business sunglasses. Like, don't mess with me, right? So these are great. Very random, which is like what I said, this is going to be a random haul of random things that I found that I love that y'all might love. So let me grab it. Okay, it is this super cute puzzle. Kind of matches my artwork, but it's just a Santorini puzzle, 500 pieces, and I love doing puzzles. Like, I know that just sounds that might sound random, but puzzles are such a great way to relax and unwind, especially if you have, you know, a really busy day and you want to just unpack your thoughts, just some time of solitude. This is such a great way to do that. And not only are puzzles just, you know, a little fun thing to do, they're very good for your brain. They help with short-term memory, and they help build synapses in your brain, so building connections. And so if you're gonna do that, might as well get a cute puzzle. And this one was very low priced on Amazon, and I love it. The colors are just so happy, so that's why I picked this one. So that is everything from Amazon and from my neutral clothing haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.